puri, a banana fry like this, a beautiful one. No need of the batter, the dosa batter, or we don't need any baking soda. It's very easy to make, very quick. Within seconds, we can make a beautiful payam puri like this. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's make this banana fritters together. We need 1 cup of flour. Onto a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon black sesame seed, half cup yogurt. Combine well. Add 3/4 cup of water. Add small batches at a time. There will be a little bit of change with the quality of the flour you use. Make a smooth, thick batter like this. Beat the batter very well. The consistency must be like this. It should coat the bottom of the spoon. I am using 3 medium-size plantain. One way is cut it lengthwise, 1 banana into 3 pieces. The second way is cut the banana into half. Then do the same process. Cut lengthwise 3 pieces. All the bananas are cut and it's ready. Beat the batter one more time. Dip the bananas onto the batter. Coat it well. Check whether the oil is hot. When you drop some batter, it must rise like this. Deep fry all the bananas. It will fluff up like this. In between, turn it around, fry it until golden in color. Crispy outside, soft inside. Drain the oil. Transfer to a kitchen towel lined plate. The same way, dip the big piece of banana and deep fry in the oil. If you like a thicker coating on the banana fritters, make the batter a little bit more thicker. The payam puri, the banana fry is ready. The big one, the small ones, both are ready. At home, I like the small ones with a hot cup of tea or a brew coffee. I like the small ones, but when in a restaurant, I like the big ones. So it's very easy to make. Afterwards, just enjoy and eat. When it's hot, it is so good. And personally, I don't like too much of coating on my payam puri. I need a light coating and more flavor of the banana. I would like to have more coating, make the batter a little bit more thicker. Then you will get a more covering. But I like this way, so you will get a beautiful taste from the banana plus a crispness from the batter. Okay, bye. this recipe? Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you